Hi there, my name is Cole, and I'm here to walk you through the brand new Ergo Trinity Loupes from LumaDent. They function pretty much exactly the same as any other pair of ergonomic TTL loupes. They still got that nice declination angle so you can keep in that upright posture. Main difference is that these have a variable magnification. They can switch between 3 different magnifications, that being 3.5, 5.0, and 7.0. How you switch between those mags is with this little collar behind the ocular where that triangle piece is. This part rotates and it'll switch between each magnification as you rotate it. You're going to hear a really nice clicking sound letting you know that you're in that magnification that you want. And it also kind of like rocks into place where it wants to be at. So when you hear it click, keep it there and you should be good to go. And you'll see there's these little lines that indicate which magnification that you're at. We recommend when you adjust the loupes, the magnification on them, that you take the loupes off to do so. So that way you can make sure that you're in the right magnification that you need. So we'll switch this over to the 7 there. So now these are set up. When you switch your magnification, you may need to dial in your focus a little bit. It still has the Vario WD feature as any of our other ergonomic loupes. So when you put them on, you'll just dial in that focus one eye at a time to make sure that it's clear. Once you're clear and good to go, then your Ergo Trinities are ready for use.